What's up everybody, it's Sean here, and in today's video, I'm here to give you guys a review of the Nike Cortez Kenny III in the Championship colorway. So this shoe released as part of Kendrick Lamar's Top Dawg Entertainment's Championship Tour. In collaboration with Nike, kicking it off in LA, 5 other special cities as part of the tour, was fortunate enough to get a special pop-up shop selling exclusive and limited Nike and Top Dawg Entertainment collaborative clothing and, in this case, footwear. So the tour made its stop in Toronto yesterday as well as today, and Livestock opened up its doors for the special pop-up shop. So I fortunately was able to make a visit, and alongside picking up these shoes, which in fact came with these white Nike socks that has Damn branding instead of Nike, I also picked up this red Damn hoodie. I also picked up this red long sleeve tee, and then I like this one so much that I also got this in white as well. Next up, we also got this Top Dawg Entertainment long sleeve shirt, this time in black. So back to these shoes, these retailed for $140 here in Canada, or a very modest $100 in the US. The official colorway for this shoe is black, white, and gym red. Before we take a closer look at the shoes, I want to give you guys a quick look at the box as well. So these do come in a special custom Nike box. The outer shell is done completely in white, and on the top we have this Damn branding done in a similar style to the Nike logo. On the front, it's a little bit hard to see on camera, but there is this Cortez Kenny branding done in tonal fashion. Sliding this outer shell open, as you can see, this comes with special edition paper as well. So moving on to the actual shoe, this is basically a reworked Nike Cortez model. The majority of the upper is constructed using black nylon, and on the lateral edge of the toe box we have these Chinese characters embroidered in black, and this loosely translates to the word damn. Covering the center area of the toe box, we have this black suede, and this suede is also found running up the center of the shoe where the eyelets are. On the midfoot of both the lateral side as well as the medial side of the shoe, we have this oversized Nike swoosh that's constructed in a tumbled soft white leather, and it's outlined in red stitching, giving it a nice contrast. Around the bottom of the back heel, this is once again constructed using this black suede, and then on the upper edge of the back heel, this is constructed using a synthetic white leather, and it features this Nike branding in red. Finishing this all off, running up and down the center, we have this red nylon pull tab. With these shoes, we just have your standard flat style black laces. Overlaid on the center of the tongue, covering the laces as well, we have this long strip of red nylon, and it features the phrase "bet it back." The tongue in this case is constructed using black nylon, and if you push away this red piece right here, it reveals this Damn branding that's done in a combination of white and black. The inner liner of the shoe is done in the synthetic white leather, and on the lateral edge of the inner liner it reads, "Nike Cortez, preferably wear with shorts and tall socks." Rounding this all out, these come with a black insole, and it has Nike branding on the heel in white. So these Kenny 3s sit atop this full-length foam midsole that's done in a combination of white and black. Turning these over to the bottom, here we have your classic Cortez outsole that of course features this herringbone traction pattern from top to bottom. Found right in the center, we have this Nike branding as well. From a sizing standpoint, I got these in a size 10.5, which is what I consider to be my standard Nike size. 10.5 is pretty much what I wear for most of my Air Maxes, and I also wear 10.5 in other Nike silhouettes like the Nike Epic React, the Nike Flyknit Racer, and the Nike Roshe 1. If anything, I wouldn't recommend going down a half a size. At the least, go true to size or go up a half size if you have wider feet. Comfort wise, I'd say that the Cortez lies somewhere between not that comfortable and average comfort. This is a very narrow silhouette, and the cushioning on these is pretty minimal. So based just on my opinion only, I wouldn't wear these for a long time, and at this point if anything they're just more of a lifestyle or fashion piece. So with all that said, I'm going to stick by Kendrick's recommendation, rocking these with shorts and high socks, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Recently with Skepta, Travis Scott, and Kendrick Lamar, it really seems like Nike's pushing the envelope in collaborating with artists these days. To be completely honest, I'm not a huge Cortez guy. This is only my second pair, but this was a must-have because A, it's a collab with Kendrick Lamar, and B, I found that for the price point of 100 US or 140 Canadian, this was a really well-made shoe, and I really like the extras including the box and these extra socks that they provided. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Nike Cortez Kenny 3s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. And be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.